And there's the shot. It's been inserted into the mold. There's a bunch of other shots. Electronic igniter.
That's it. It just goes in a little bit ways.
Let me get out. Let me get out.
I'm just holding it up.
And let me step back.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Someone out the bottom.
A little bit. A lot.
Let's see what I did.
Hope we didn't lose it.
Hopefully not.
Well, there's a lot of molten metal
Let's see.
down on the bottom there.
Fred, keep recording.
Mhm.
You're showing what's inside those things.
What is that?
It's a little bitty one, tiny one.
Okay.
This is an old way before the electronic ones.
Oh.
I was going to pour it out so you can see it.
Oh. Okay, here we go. Hey. Old style.
Granules of metal and gunpowder in there, and then in the bottom is a lot of gunpowder.
You gonna light that off?
Yeah.
I better step back.
Now take a picture. That's the molten stuff inside of it.
Yeah. The slag. Wow. That's some hot stuff. Uh-oh. It did. Burnt the wire in two. Crap. Yeah, it did.
Dadgummit.
That wasn't a good shot at all. I could see it.
Got some cleanup going on here after the shot.